Imagine yourself in an area which gives you ultimate views of Marina skyline, Palm Jumeirah and Burj Al Arab. Imagine yourself in a building which has a private beach access. You come down off your building and you are on the beach. And all you know that Dubai is very famous for the beach properties, for its white sandy beach. And today I'm going to show you one such property which is very famous for its private beach access, which is very centrally located, which is the hotspot of tomorrow. I'm talking about Emaar Beachfront. This is Sandeep here. Welcome to my channel Realtor from Dubai, and today I'm going to explain you the new launch of Emaar Properties Beach Mansions. So let's begin today's episode of Realtor from Dubai. So as I said, Emaar Beachfront offers you the ultimate views of Marina skyline. It also gives you a view of Palm Jumeirah, and it also gives you view of Ain Dubai, which is going to be a new attraction in Dubai. Now you can see the Ain Dubai, which is on my left, is starting its operations on 21st of October. Now Emaar Beachfront, as I said, is very exclusive community. It has only 24 towers. And as you can see, there are a few buildings which are already ready. You can see Sunrise Bay that is getting handed over as we speak. There is a beach vista which is just opposite to Sunrise Bay. So Emaar Beachfront is a very happening community. It's taking its shape. Emaar has already launched a couple of towers, including Sunrise Bay, Beach Vista, which are getting delivered in a couple of months. Then there is Beach Isle, Marina Vista. So the latest offering that Emaar is offering is Beach Mansions. Now, if you can point out, the Beach Mansions is just next to the under construction building that we are seeing right now. Also, the Beach Mansion is the only project in Emaar Beachfront which is right next to the park. Now, Beach Mansions has some unique features that Emaar has never offered before. Now, the room sizes in Beach Mansions are comparatively higher, or you can say comparatively bigger, because the one bedroom there is roughly around 750 square feet going up to around 850 square feet. Two bedrooms are around 1200 to 1250 square feet plus. Three bedrooms are around 2000 square feet. Now, if you look at these sizes, these are slightly bigger than the previous offerings, because in the market these days, people are looking for the bigger sizes. And also, as I keep on saying, the market is very good in Dubai, especially for townhouses and villas. However, the apartments which has a beach access, as I said earlier in my previous videos also, beachfront properties are higher in demand. You can see the prices of apartments on the Palm Jumeirah with the beach access have increased like 15–20% in last couple of quarters. So why you should buy in Beach Mansions in Emaar Beachfront? Number one, the apartment sizes are bigger compared to previous projects. Number two, the location is right next to the only park in the community. So when you are looking to rent this property out once completed, the rentals will be higher because it's close proximity to the park. Also, the sizes are bigger, and hence the rent will be a little bit higher as compared to the previous projects which has been delivered in Emaar Beachfront. Also, Emaar has come up with a post-handover payment plan with this particular project. Now, the payment plan here is 80/20. So, you're paying 80% till the completion, which is in December 2025. And then you are paying 20% post-handover in 2 years. So, basically, you are getting a 6 years payment plan, which will give you a flexibility in your payments. So, you can book with 12%, keep on paying the payment in December as well as in June next year, and then your payment is linked to the construction. So when you complete 20% of construction, you will pay one installment, and likewise. So in a nutshell, this is a very good project for someone who is looking for a property which will be delivered in couple of years down the line. Someone who is not looking to put all the cash up front, someone who wants a flexibility in the payment plan. Now coming to the prices in beach mansions are starting from around 1.7 to 1.9 million dirham for a 1-bedroom apartment. 2 bedrooms back facing are around 2.9 million dirhams. Front facing obviously will be a little bit higher because of the premium view of Marina Skyline. They have a 3-bedroom and 4-bedroom apartments as well. 3-bedroom will cost you roughly around 6 million plus, whereas a 4-bedroom will cost you around 7.5 million onwards. If you talk about per square feet prices, 1-bedroom and 2 bedrooms are a very good deal because you are getting in the price range of around 2300 to 2400 per square feet. 3 bedrooms will cost you a little bit higher because of its premium view and the bigger size. We're talking about a 3000 dirhams per square feet. So to sum up today's video, I would say if you want something which is beachfront, if you want something which is centrally located, if you want something which will have a huge capital appreciation as well as rental returns in the future, Beach Mansions is the one for you. If you want to see the show apartment and community tour of Emaar Beachfront, I have made a separate video of that, which the link of which you are seeing on the screen now. Also, I will put that link in the description below. If you want any more details about Beach Mansions as well as Emaar Beachfront, all you have to do is contact me on my contact number, which is 971 54 7848. If you want to get in touch with me on my Instagram, you can reach out to me on my Instagram handle, which is Realtor from Dubai. And last and most important thing, if you find my videos are good, if you find my videos are helping you in some or the other way, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because that gives me motivation to make more such videos in the future as well. This is Sandeep Patil signing off. See you next Thursday with yet another project where you can invest in Dubai. Till then, stay safe, take care, keep wearing your masks and have a nice day.